fest is quite good, I can say that, and I didn't feel that कि हम BMW जीतेंगे, and I'm feeling very happy, and my family is also feeling very happy, and not able to imagine that we have won the BMW. Yeah, I will suggest them buy the Signature Global. This is a very good project, and they can appreciate their property value and this is a very good property, I can say. I'm feeling very happy. It's look like that Diwali start हो गई है, and हमें तो कल से ही फील हो रहा है कि हम दिवाली सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, and it is very happy, and everyone is enjoying this moment a lot. मेरा जो इंटरेक्शन था मिस्टर दीपक कुमार हैं, जिनके थ्रू उन्होंने बताया सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल के बारे में, एंड उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट एक सजेस्ट करा हमें, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रॉपर्टी, एंड द सेटअप, द होल थिंग इज़ लुकिंग वेरी नाइस, एंड एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी गॉट अ चांस. Location is very good, that excites me, and the price is also good, and the area that they are covering, 140 acre, that is quite very good and satisfactory for any client, and whatever the plan they have suggested and shared with us, this is very good. I'm happy about that. This is a very at a very high level, that it's in very brand name in a market, and I think there is no word is required for the Signature Global, as its name is define own self. Yes. Hooray! 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 Thank you.